Good morning, this is Mr. Ardetta, and I wanted to show you real quick how you're going to be sharing the results of your Quizlet activity today. So if you'll notice here in the classroom, you have a link for the Quizlet itself, and then you have another link that says Quizlet Upload. And so the Quizlet link itself, what it takes you to is the actual Quizlet. So when you go here, you click here, and it'll take you to the actual vocabulary that we're going to be practicing. So I strongly recommend before you attempt any of these challenges that you actually go through and you study and make sure you understand each vocabulary word as it's presented. Okay. Take some time to memorize them, try to recall the definition, then flip the card over, or you can always do the learning module, which kind of walks you through that, and it gives you a chance to kind of get familiar with it, and it also tracks your progress. Just make sure you've logged in with your Google account so that your little icon appears up here in the corner, and it should track your progress. So to complete the challenges, you'll notice that for the turn-in right here, it states, so use the assignment to upload a screenshot of your Quizlet accomplishments. So you have to screenshot the following, either a passing test result and the fastest matching time. So what that means is in the game here, the test result is you have to complete the test and then you have to complete the matching, or your fastest matching time. So the matching time or the matching game is easy because all you have to do is just match the picture with the word or the definition, and then you want to try to do it as fast as possible. And so all I'm asking is you just post your fastest time for this. Okay, so that one's easy. Now the test has something you have to change. So if you watch this, if you hit the test, so it'll automatically generate the test for you with all the options, but just to give you guys kind of a fair start here, if you go to options here in the corner, make sure you have written turned off. So that way you're not having to do any of the written challenges. And then just leave everything else the same as shown here, and then just create a new test, and then there you go. And then when you're done, you're just going to screenshot your results and you're going to upload them. Now, how to screenshot? On a desktop or a Chromebook, you should be able to just hit print screen. So for example, I'll hit print screen here, which is a key on my keyboard. And then in order to put it into this assignment so you can turn it in, because right here it'll say turn in, right? It'll pull up a little dialog window and you have to attach a file. So there's a couple of ways you can do this to upload the image. If you know how to save an image to your device, like for example on an iPad, if you're doing this on an iPad, you just hit both of these buttons at the same time. It'll automatically save whatever's on the screen, and then you can just upload it, attach it to the assignment. Alternatively, what I've also found easy is if you just go to Drive and then just open a document, like any document you could do. It'll be a slideshow or a document, so let's just do a slideshow for example, right? And so you can just use this slide, like, because what you're going to paste in there is just going to come over top, right? So let's say if I was going to paste this, so I would do a print screen like this. So I would just print screen what I have there, right? And then go here, and then I just right click paste, and it should just paste it on in. See, there you go. Now I have 3 screens active right now, which is why you have it like this, but you should probably have the one screen probably. If you have more than one screen, this is an easy fix. You can just go to formatting, and it should give you the option to crop it. So, yeah, maybe not. Alright, well, in any case, if you just post this, I can see your results in that middle screen, so that'll be fine. But you can do this, and then once you do this, you'll just copy the link, and then when you go to the turn-in button here, you just post that link, and then I'll be able to access it. So hopefully that made sense, and you guys are able to submit your results for the Quizlet. Same thing goes for the challenges, except with the challenges you're doing the writing score or the gravity high score. Those games are a little harder, so I don't expect everybody to do that. But if you can at least post the top 2, you'll be in good shape. Thanks for listening.